Hi gang, today I'd like to talk about the Realtor value proposition, your unique selling proposition. I'm Bob Loeffler with Fearless Agent Coaching and Training, and I noticed that if I'm in competition with you as a real estate agent, you either have a choice of being a little bit better than me or completely different than me. If that's your choice, you want to be completely different than me. That gives every seller a reason to meet with you. It gives every buyer a reason to meet with you and their friend who's in real estate. So here's the Fearless Agent value proposition. By the way, value proposition answers the question, why should I even meet with you? And the reason is because I do business completely differently than all other agents, and it virtually guarantees you of two things. One is that your house will actually sell, and number two is that you will end up with way more money bottom line than you could get any other way. Would you say that's definitely what you're looking for? If that value proposition is what you're looking for, then I would invite you to go to our fearlessagent.com website, watch all of our training videos. If there's any way I can help you, you can feel free to call me on my cell phone anytime. Love to help you. But we want to make you a fearless agent and earn your full worth. Thanks.